Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Let me discuss the project color image segmentation using multi-level thresholding approach and data fusion technique application in the breast cancer cell images. Let me discuss the concept of the project color image segmentation using multi-level thresholding approach and data fusion techniques application in the breast cancer image segmentation. In this project, we are segmented the breast cancer cells and the basic image segmentation that is done by what's the segmentation. Initially part 1, part 2 segmentations are done. For part 1 segmentation, we convert the given image into color space such as RGB, HSV, YIQ, XYZ, LAB and LUV color spaces. After we perform in the multi-level thresholding to set thresholding point to the color separated images. Finally, we segment the image. Final segmentation. In the part 2 segmentation, we perform the image partition the image into 16 blocks. After that, performing the histogram process for the partitioned image. Because of the partitioned image is to performing the quadratic decomposition for the segmentation. Decomposed image is performed the quadratic decomposition. Finally, segmented image is displayed. Final segmentation is based on the multi-level thresholding is give the best result on the two-stage segmentation. It preserves the edges that is based on the medical color image segmentation. This classification accuracy is very high due to the multi-level thresholding concept. Color space conversion is used to get all the color space of the given selected images. This is based on the technique we propose the segmentation for the breast cancer cells. Let me discuss the flow of the project color image segmentation using multi-level thresholding approach and data fusion techniques application in the breast cancer cell images. In this project, initially press load cancer cell images. Load cancer cell images inputted. In this step, we put one cancer tissue cell tissue images. After that, we performing pre-processing step. Pre-processing is the basic step in image processing to perform the edge reduction and RGB to gray conversion. In this step, we performing the color conversion. The given image is converted into 6 level of color space, that is RGB, HSV, YIQ, XYZ and lab and also LUV color space images are converted from selected RGB images. After that, we performing the multi-level thresholding. It's at the thresholding point and it also performing the segmentation for the thresholded point. Based on the thresholded point, we performing the histogram for partitioned image. Image is partitioned into 16 blocks, that is 4x4 blocks are segmented the given image. After that, we performing the histogram equalization. Histogram of the selected image is display the value of the selected regions. After that, we performing the decomposition by quadri method. Quadri method decomposes the fused segmented image into the selected method. After that, we performing the final segmentation. Final segmentation result segment the given selected cell image into the final segmentation. It displays the image into black and white colored images. Let me see the running procedure of the project color image segmentation using multi-level thresholding approach and data fusion techniques application in the breast cancer cell images. Right click on the main.m file and press run file button to show the this is the execution window. Initially, the first axis to be displayed for the selected image. Press load button to select the images. The images are in the data set. Select one cell images. This is the blood cell tissue images. Selected image is displayed in the first axis. Axis 1 is used to display the first axis. After that, we performing the pre-processing step. Pre-processing in the step is the basic step in image processing for all the image processing images used in this project. And performing the pre-processing that in this pre-processing instance, it preserves edges and it converts the RGB image into gray image. Converted images displayed in this separate axis and the another window. After that, we performing the segmentation process. Segmentation lesson, it performing the two types of segmentation, part 1 segmentation and part 2 segmentation. For part 1 segmentation, I am pressing Part 1 segmentation button, which shows the another window. Part 1 segmentation whether we perform in a color conversion and multi-level thresholding techniques. Then the final segmented images displayed. For the color conversion, we use the 6 type of color conversion. In the color converted images display, first RGB image is the given image is the RGB image. After that we perform in the HSV images. The HSV color converted image is displayed in the next axis, and the YIQ image is displayed in the another axis, and XYZ converter color image is displayed in another axis. Lab color conversion is displayed in the another axis. LUV color converter image is displayed in the another axis. Is the color converted images after used for multi-level thresholding process. Is the colors are used and perform the process. By pressing multi-level thresholding, it displayed the thresholded segmented image. Here the segmented image is displayed for each color space that is displayed in the separate axis. Axis 1, axis 2, axis 3 are displayed the separate multi-level thresholding process for each color space. After that, we get the final segmentation. Before that, we go to part 2 segmentation. In the part 2 segmentation lesson, we partition the image into blocks. The partitioned image is displayed in the next axis. The selected image is partitioned into 4x4 blocks. It displays the each partition clearly. We get the segmentation result for all the blocks of process. After that, we perform in the histogram of partition. Histogram of partition is displayed. Partitioned image histogram is displayed. Each axis displays the histogram value. Histogram are displayed for separate axis. After that, we perform in the decomposition. This decomposition process is done by quadri decomposition. Quadri decomposition used for segment the given image that decomposes the image into separate blocks. After that, we perform in the final segmentation. Final segmentation in the sense it displays the part 2 segmentation. The part 2 segmentation for the part 2 segmentation, the part 1 segmentation result is displayed. The final segmentation and the another segmentation. Compare the result of this one and this one. It displays the separate result. That is the best result of this project. Thank you.